Good morning, class. I'm your EVS teacher. This is the fifth video of chapter 4 named Birds for class 3. In the previous video, we discussed about the different types of beaks the birds have, what are their uses. Then the next topic was claws, different type of claws, how they are helpful to the bird. The third topic which we dealt about was how birds fly. And in the last video, we discussed about the feathers of a bird. Now in this video, we are going to describe about the nesting habits of birds. Why do birds make nest? What is the main reason behind it? Like human beings, birds also give birth. They lay eggs. For this, they need a home, and their home is called nest. They lay eggs in their nest because it is a safe place for them. As for human beings also, a home is a safer place to live in. We all know that home protects us from many things. Same as for birds, home protect them. They make a nest with different materials. They lay eggs in the nest. When they lay eggs, they sit on the eggs to keep them warm. And after some times, it hatches. When the birds go in search of the food, the nest protects them from the enemies such as snakes, eagle. From these birds, the home protects the small babies that hatches out of from the egg. After a set of number days, when the eggs shall break and a baby comes out, a baby birds come out, this process is known as hatching. When a baby comes out from the egg, this process is known as hatching. The parents feed the baby until they are strong enough. The parents feed their babies until they are strong enough to fly. Now, we'll come to the next topic, how birds build nests. What materials do birds take to build their nest? The birds collect twigs, dry leaves, wool, cotton, straw, thread, pieces of cloth, paper, and many more things. They build nest on the branches of the trees, on the terrace, and wall cavities. Wall cavities means the spaces which are between the walls are called wall cavities. You must have seen in your nearby surroundings that the birds build nest. So these are the materials that a bird uses to make their nest. They also use, when they build nest, they also give some linings or some soft materials inside the nest so that when they keep their eggs inside the nest, they feel warm. So in the next video, I'm going to tell about the different types of nest the birds build. I hope this video of mine would help you to understand that why birds build nest and what are the materials that birds uses to build the nest. Thank you for today, and I'll give you the next video on the topic different types of nest in the next class. Thank you so much for today.